Unveiling the truth beckons us to peer beyond the surface of existence, delving into the profound depths of consciousness where illusions dissipate and clarity prevails. It is a journey of introspection, a sacred pilgrimage into the sanctum of our souls, where the veils of falsehood dissolve, revealing the raw essence of reality. In this quest for truth, we confront the myriad illusions that entangle our perception of the world. We peel back the layers of conditioning, societal norms, and personal biases, daring to question the narratives that shape our understanding. Through self-reflection and contemplation, we untangle the web of deception, discerning the subtle whispers of our inner wisdom amidst the cacophony of external influences. As the veils of illusion fall away, we are confronted with the raw truth of our existence. We come to recognize the interconnectedness of all beings, the impermanence of materiality, and the eternal nature of the soul. In this profound realization, we find liberation from the shackles of fear and limitation, embracing the boundless expanse of possibility that awaits us. With truth as our guiding light, we navigate the complexities of life with clarity and purpose. We align our thoughts, words, and actions with authenticity, honoring the divine essence that resides within each of us. Empowered by the truth, we become agents of transformation, illuminating the path for others to follow in their quest for enlightenment. In the unveiling of truth, we discover not only the essence of who we are, but also the interconnected tapestry of existence that binds us all. It is a journey of self-discovery and collective awakening, a testament to the inherent wisdom that lies dormant within us all, awaiting only the courage to seek and the humility to receive. Embracing the unknown invites us to surrender to the enigmatic dance of life, to relinquish our grip on certainty and venture boldly into the uncharted territories of possibility. It is a testament to our willingness to release the illusion of control and trust in the inherent wisdom of the universe. In the vast expanse of existence, uncertainty reigns supreme, casting shadows of doubt upon the landscape of our lives. Yet, it is within the embrace of the unknown that we discover the fertile ground from which our greatest potentials emerge. Like intrepid explorers charting unexplored waters, we navigate the currents of ambiguity with courage and conviction, guided by the flickering light of our inner knowing. Embracing the unknown is an act of profound liberation, a declaration of our willingness to surrender the familiar confines of comfort and venture into the wilderness of possibility. It is a call to transcend the limitations of our fears and doubts, to boldly step into the realm of limitless potential that awaits us. In the embrace of the unknown, we discover the seeds of our greatest growth and evolution. It is here, amidst the uncertainty and ambiguity, that we find the fertile soil in which our dreams take root and flourish. With each step into the unknown, we expand our capacity for resilience, adaptability, and creativity, forging a path of transformation that leads us ever closer to the realization of our highest aspirations. As we journey into the unknown, we are reminded of the inherent interconnectedness of all things. We recognize that our individual paths are but threads woven into the intricate tapestry of existence, each contributing to the rich tapestry of human experience. With open hearts and open minds, we embrace the mystery of the unknown, trusting in the guiding hand of the universe to lead us ever onward towards our destiny. Aligning with divine timing is an invitation to attune our hearts and minds to the rhythm of the universe, surrendering to the inherent wisdom that orchestrates the unfolding of our lives. It is a recognition that beyond the realm of our immediate perception lies a divine order, a symphony of synchronicity that guides us along our path with grace and precision. In a world characterized by hustle and haste, the concept of divine timing offers a gentle reminder to release the grip of urgency and trust in the perfection of the present moment. It calls us to surrender our attachment to linear notions of time and embrace the cyclical nature of existence, wherein every moment is imbued with the potential for growth and transformation. Aligning with divine timing requires a profound shift in perspective, inviting us to relinquish the illusion of control and surrender to the flow of life. It is a journey of surrender, wherein we release the need to force outcomes and instead cultivate a deep sense of trust in the inherent intelligence of the universe. As we align with divine timing, we come to recognize the subtle signs and synchronicities that guide us along our path. We learn to discern the whispers of intuition amidst the noise of daily life, trusting in the inner guidance that leads us ever closer to our true purpose. In the embrace of divine timing, we find solace amidst the chaos of uncertainty, knowing that each twist and turn of our journey is guided by a higher intelligence. We learn to navigate the ebbs and flows of life with grace and equanimity, surrendering to the divine orchestration that weaves the threads of our destiny into the tapestry of existence. Ultimately, aligning with divine timing is an act of surrender and trust, a recognition that our lives are unfolding exactly as they are meant to. In this surrender, we find freedom, liberation from the burdens of expectation and the constraints of time. And in this freedom, we discover the true beauty and majesty of life itself. Awakening to higher consciousness is a journey of self-discovery, an ascent from the depths of mundane existence to the lofty peaks of spiritual enlightenment. It is a call to transcend the limitations of the ego and expand our awareness beyond the confines of the material world, embracing the boundless expanse of cosmic consciousness. At its core, awakening to higher consciousness is a recognition of our inherent divinity, a remembrance of the eternal spark of the divine that resides within each and every one of us. It is a journey inward, a pilgrimage into the sacred sanctuary of our souls, where the eternal flame of wisdom burns bright amidst the darkness of ignorance. In the pursuit of higher consciousness, we cultivate a deep sense of presence and mindfulness, learning to anchor ourselves in the eternal now. Through meditation, contemplation, and inner reflection, we quiet the incessant chatter of the mind and attune ourselves to the subtle frequencies of the divine. As we awaken to higher consciousness, we come to recognize the interconnectedness of all beings and the interdependence of all life. We see beyond the illusion of separation and embrace the unity that lies at the heart of existence. In this unity, we find compassion, empathy, and love, recognizing that we are all but reflections of the same divine essence. Awakening to higher consciousness is a journey of transformation, a shedding of the old self to make way for the emergence of the true self. It is a process of purification and refinement, wherein we release the layers of conditioning and egoic attachment that veil our true nature. In the light of higher consciousness, we find liberation from the bondage of suffering and the cycle of birth and death. We recognize that true happiness and fulfillment lie not in the pursuit of external desires, but in the realization of our innate divinity. Ultimately, awakening to higher consciousness is a journey of evolution, an ascent towards the pinnacle of spiritual realization. It is a journey without end, for as we continue to awaken, we deepen our understanding of the infinite mysteries of existence and come ever closer to the divine source from which we emerged. Nurturing the seed of transformation is an intimate dance between the self and the cosmos, a sacred journey of growth, evolution, and self-realization. It is a call to tend to the fertile soil of our souls, cultivating the seeds of change that lie dormant within, waiting to blossom into the fullness of their potential. At the heart of nurturing the seed of transformation lies a deep reverence for the process of growth and change. It is an acknowledgement that transformation is not a linear path, but rather a dynamic and cyclical journey, characterized by moments of expansion and contraction, of light and shadow. To nurture the seed of transformation is to cultivate a nurturing environment for our growth, one characterized by love, compassion, and self-acceptance. It is a commitment to tending to the needs of our inner garden, removing the weeds of negativity and self-doubt, and nourishing the soil with the waters of self-love and kindness. As we nurture the seed of transformation, we become attuned to the rhythms of our inner world, listening deeply to the whispers of our intuition and the yearnings of our soul. We learn to trust in the innate intelligence of the body and the wisdom of the heart, surrendering to the guidance that arises from within. In the gentle embrace of nurturing, we allow ourselves to be vulnerable and open, courageously facing the shadows that dwell within us and embracing them with compassion and acceptance. It is through this process of integration that we are able to alchemize our pain and suffering into wisdom and growth, transforming the darkness into the light. Ultimately, nurturing the seed of transformation is an act of profound self-love and self-care. It is a commitment to honoring the sacredness of our journey and tending to the flame of our soul with tenderness and devotion. And as we tend to the seeds of transformation within us, we not only nourish our own growth, but also contribute to the healing and evolution of the collective consciousness.